In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a board private in Monday.com, whether you're creating a brand new board or changing the privacy settings on an existing one. If you're working with sensitive projects, client information, HR data, or internal planning documents, making your board private is one of the most important steps you can take to control who sees what. I'll walk you through both methods step by step so you can follow along easily. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to make a board private when you're creating a brand new board. This is the easiest time to set privacy because you can choose the board type right from the beginning. Start by logging into your Monday.com account and going to your workspace. On the left-hand side, click the plus Add button. From the drop-down menu, select New Board. A setup window will appear where you'll be asked to choose the board type. You'll typically see options like Main, Shareable, and Private. To make sure only specific people can access this board, choose Private. This means the board will only be visible to you and the team members you explicitly invite. Other members of your account won't even see that the board exists unless you add them. After selecting Private, go ahead and name your board. Choose something clear and relevant to your project so it's easy to manage later. Once you've entered the name, click Create Board. And that's it. Your new board is now private and fully under your control in terms of access. Now let's talk about the second scenario. What if the board already exists and you want to change it to private? Maybe you created it as a main board and later realized the information should be restricted. Don't worry, you can update the board type in just a few clicks. Start by opening the board you want to make private. Once you're inside the board, look at the top left area where the board name is displayed. Click directly on the board name. This will open the board settings menu. In that menu, find the option labeled Board Type. Click on it. You'll see the available board type options again. From here, select Change to Private. Monday.com may ask you to confirm the change, especially if other users currently have access. Confirm your selection. As soon as you switch the board type to private, the board will only be accessible to people you explicitly invite. Anyone who was not added as a subscriber will no longer be able to view or interact with it. This is especially useful for leadership discussions, financial tracking, HR workflows, or client-specific planning that shouldn't be visible company-wide. One important thing to remember is that when you make a board private, you are responsible for managing access. If someone needs to collaborate, you'll need to invite them manually to the board. You can do that by using the Invite option within the board and selecting to team members who should have access. That's all there is to it. Whether you're creating a new board and selecting private from the start, or changing an existing board's type to private, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to click. If this video helped you learn how to make a board private in Monday.com, go ahead and hit that like button so more people can find this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy Monday.com guides, productivity tips, and workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.